Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen and microphone audio and also have this little webcam window be running at the same time. So I'll just show you the files that make all this work. To record your screen and audio I'm using a shell script, so let's take a look inside. So this is the shell script and all it's doing is getting user input for the name of the output file, and then it's going to write that file to your videos directory using the ffmpeg command there. So you can pause the video and copy that if you want to. The other file I'm going to be using is a Python file to show my webcam, like this. And again, this one's basically just a pretty basic program. All it's doing is turning on your webcam and then showing it like this in a window. So you can pause the video and copy that if you'd like to. And once you've done that, the next step is going to be making both of these files, the recordscreen.sh and webcam.py files, into executable files. So you just do that by doing this command, like so. And this makes record screen executable, so you can run that. And then do the same for webcam.py. Okay, so now I'll just run both these files to show you how they work. So if I do record screen, if you just watch here, it's going to ask for the name of the file, so we'll call it test file. And then it's going to do a bunch of stuff on the screen in the terminal. But this is actually recording a video right now with my desktop screen and then also audio from my microphone. So I can just do Control-C to stop that. And then if I look into my videos directory, we see that the test file .mp4 is there. And if we run that, test file. So there we go. I'm just going to mute it so it doesn't sound terrible. And yeah, so this is the video we just took using that command, as you can see there. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to show you is how the webcam program works. So let me just close that. And if we just run this Python file, you'll see that it just shows what's on your webcam. Pretty simple. So that's how those work. So now what we want to do is we want to make both of these files runnable from anywhere in the terminal. So I want to run this record screen shell file just by typing record, and then I want to run this webcam.py file just by typing wcam. And I want to be able to do that anywhere. So how we do that is we use the path environment variable. So if you do echo $path, this will show you what your path variable is currently. It has a bunch of different directories and stuff, but we're only concerned with this one right here, the user local bin. That's where you put like user defined binaries, and so anything you put in the user local bin directory you'll be able to run from anywhere on your system. So all we're going to do then is we're just going to type this command, and this is going to copy recordscreen.sh to user local bin, just like that, and type that in. So, wrong password. Okay, there we go. So we just copied over our recordscreen.sh into user local bin. And now, if I just show you, if I make an empty directory and go into it, you can see that there's no files in it. But if I type record screen, screen.sh, you'll see that it's running the record screen.sh file, and that's because we added it into our path. So I'm just going to cancel that. And so we'll go back and we'll do the same with webcam.py. So sudo copy webcam.py to user local bin. Yep, sounds good. So Same thing if I go into that empty directory, you see there's no files in here, but if I type webcam.py, a webcam's going to pop up. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to set it so that instead of saying webcam.py to run this file, I just want to type wcam. And so we can do that pretty easily just by editing our bash aliases. So go to this directory here, this is your home directory, and then there's a file called .bash aliases. So just open it up with the text editor, and you're going to want to enter these two top lines here. You can just ignore that last one, that's something else. So what this is saying is we want this first alias to set record, the word record, to recordscreen.sh. So whenever you type record on your bash session, it'll actually run this. Okay, and then same thing here, when you type in wcam, it'll actually run webcam.py. So let's just exit out of here. Once you put those two things into your bash alias, you'll probably have to restart your terminal so that it rereads that bash aliases file. But you can also do it by doing like source home/.bashrc or something. But it's easier to just restart your terminal. So once you've done that, then I'll show you that we can run both of those things just by typing record, and you can see we are running the file. So I can say testing file, and this will record a video as expected. Let's close that, and then same thing if I type wcam, that's going to start my webcam. So there you go. There's a quick little tutorial on how to set up a basic screen recorder and webcam setup, super minimalist, and sort of build it yourself, and you can change these different files to whatever you want. For example, you can change the size of the webcam window. So if it's too big for you, you can change that just by adjusting this this width and height there. And yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching.